Hi, it's Krista and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this little bronze moment. She's cute, okay? Also, I'm gonna have a really quick giveaway. I just randomly thought of this. I'm gonna have a giveaway at the end of the video, so keep watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, so I'm starting out today with my eyes primed with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape from under my brow all the way down my lid. So I'm gonna do some kind of a bronzy look. I'm using the original Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Pukey and I'm gonna put that pretty much all in my crease. I know there was like drama. Of course, there's always drama with anything Jaclyn Hill, which is kind of sad because I like Jaclyn. I like to watch Jaclyn. I enjoy her videos whenever she actually posts, and I've liked some of her launches, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't get any of the little palettes, but I know that this big palette, like I got this like the day that it released the first time, like so I guess I have like the original, you know, before I guess they changed the formula, which I don't think anybody even knew that they changed the formula until like all of that drama came out recently. Personally, I think this palette is one of my favorites that I have, like, period. Like, out of all of my palettes, I like this one and the Desi and Katie collab with Joseph Colors. Those are like my top two palettes like ever. So I don't know about all the drama and like people saying that it's bad and like people hate her releases. I don't know. I never had any issues, but I guess that's probably because I have like the original one. Also, I think people just give her hell because it's Jaclyn, which kind of sucks for her, but I don't know. I wish people didn't do that. I'm taking the shade Mocha on this Luxie 205 brush, and I'm going to focus this more in the crease. So I guess it's a must talk about. I haven't recorded a video in a while, and the last video that I actually recorded prior to my niece's birthday party video, I was like, that was old. Like I had that video like on my computer for like a month, so it's been a long time. So as of, well, today's Sunday, so as of Tuesday, I was laid off from my job because of the whole like quarantine, coronavirus thing. So in Kentucky, they have like basically shut down everything. Like all retail places are closed, like all non-essential businesses, malls, like pretty much everything except for like freaking like Walmart, grocery stores, pharmacies, like that type of stuff. Everything has closed. So yeah, I have been at home for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, so 5 days. 5 days now. It doesn't even seem like it's been 5 days. I've still kind of like been places, obviously. Like I went to my niece's birthday party and no, that was before I got quarantined. I don't know what I'm talking about. I've still been places. I've been to like Walmart. Yeah. I've been to Walmart. That's actually the only place that I've been. I'm going back with that other brush to just blend it out as I go. It has honestly, well, I mean, at first it's like, it sucks because I'm not making any money and I guess I'm gonna file unemployment, but it sucks because you're just like stuck and it's like, I kind of like yesterday, I was kind of like starting to get like, okay, like I need to do something. So that's why I keep dropping this. So that's why today I kind of like got up early and I went to Walmart and I just like had to do something, you know, like I needed to just like get out. I just went to Walmart and got like coffee and stuff so that I can like entertain myself, I guess. I'm gonna go back with that mocha shade and just like darken it a little bit more. So as of yesterday, I just kind of like was getting like, okay, I need something to do. I need to get it together. I was gonna film yesterday, but we watched like the whole freaking Tiger King documentary. I know you guys have probably seen people talk about it on social media. So we literally watched like I think it's like 7 episodes. We watched the whole thing of the Tiger King yesterday, which, well, it wasn't that bad. I mean, it was interesting to hear about the tigers, but also like, it was like, why am I watching this? Alright, so I'm gonna go with Meeks, which is a really pretty bronzy, shimmery shade. And I'm gonna put that all over my lid. I was watching like I was watching a video earlier and it was about like, it was like a little bronzy like quote IG makeup, and I was kind of inspired by that, but she just had like, she like kept it like basically like this, like just blended it out and like kept the like a concealer shade, and kept it pretty matte. Well, yeah, all matte, but I can't. I need shimmer in my life. So I'm gonna take this all the way like up to my crease, and then I'm gonna go back with that other brush and blend it out. Not like heavily in my crease, but just slightly. Alright, so I actually popped on the Kiss lashes from Brazier, which is like some of my favorite lashes, because those other lashes just weren't doing it for me. I feel like I cut them a little too short and I just didn't like how they looked. So I'm gonna go in with a No Problem primer. I'm gonna put that in my T-zone. I think I used a little too much, but you just need a little bit of this product because it goes a long way. I don't know what Nipsey's over here doing. He was taking a nap and now he's like into stuff underneath my desk. So since, as you guys can see, my face is like so much lighter than my body, so I'm hoping that this foundation matches. I'm really not even sure. I haven't used it in a while, but this is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Stromboli. So I'm just pumping out some on the back of my hand and I'm gonna dot it on my face. And then I'm gonna use the e.l.f. sponge to blend it in. I actually really like this foundation. I just haven't had a good shade match for me, I don't think. I think I put like way too much on, because this foundation is, for it to say natural, like it's a really full coverage foundation actually. I'm gonna try to be careful around my brows because I already filled them in a little bit, but if I have to touch them up, I can. I'm gonna like squeeze my sponge to try to get in between my eyebrows. So I know I talked briefly about like the whole coronavirus thing, but I wasn't worried like at all. Like I guess because it hadn't really affected me. So like whenever schools started closing and like even whenever the restaurants closed, like it wasn't really affecting me. But once it affected my job, I kind of like, I mean, because I wasn't doing anything out of the normal anyways. I go to work, I don't really do much as it is. So like staying home and only going to work wasn't that like crazy to me. It was pretty normal. But once it like affected my job, now I have kind of like, I wasn't worried at all, like not at all, not concerned, not nothing. And now I'm just like not necessarily like scared, but just worried about like when are we gonna get to go back to work, because there's no definite day. When are things gonna be normal? When is all of this just like gonna be over? Because I've only been home now for 5 days. Well, really 3, because Saturday and Sunday I would have been home anyways. But like time is like, like some days it seems like it's moving fast, but then again it's like it's really slow, and I'm just like, how long am I like gonna be okay with just like being in the house, you know? Because at some point you're going to get like, okay, I can't be here anymore. At some point you're going to feel overwhelmed with like not being able to do anything. So that, I think, is what has like worried me now, that like I'm not going to work anymore. So I just put on the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium sand. If my lighting has changed throughout the video, it's because this window is right here and the sun is now going down. Alright, I'm gonna set my face really quickly with the Collab powder, the translucent one. I'm gonna use the sponge to do this. Just lightly tap into the powder and then on the back of my hand. So I'm gonna bronze my face with the Benefit Hoola and this Aesthetica's brush, P12. I use this all the time for bronzer. Not really going like structured, just literally just bronzing my cheeks and my forehead. I'm gonna go down my neck a little bit to make sure all that blends together. I'm gonna squeeze my brush and go down my nose. It's crazy because I feel like in my mirror down here I look like my skin tone matches more than in the camera, but I think it's probably just because of the lighting. I'm gonna go back to the Jaclyn Hill palette and use the same 2 colors I used in my crease. What were they? Pukey and Mocha. Alright, so I had a phone call, as you guys heard. So I just basically took this pencil brush and both of those colors and I just went along my lower lash line and blended it up into my shadow really quickly. I'm gonna take that first blending brush that I used and just like make sure that that corner is blended out. Okay, we're gonna go with Chasing the Sun. I've actually been using the Jaclyn Hill highlighter a lot, so this is like the first time since I got that highlighter that I use something different. I'm using the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. I like this since I started using it. I used to use a fan brush, but whenever I got that Jaclyn Hill, I got the loose one, so I needed something different because the fan brush wouldn't really go into like the packaging so that I could pick up the product. So then I'm gonna take like this little bitty, it doesn't even have a name, I got this off of Amazon I think, this little bitty brush, and highlight my inner corner with this. I'm gonna take this brush and like push that color up into like the colors on my crease and my eyelid to blend those together. And the same with the bottom, I'm gonna like blend it down. I'm gonna use this to highlight my brow bone, also my cupid's bow and my nose. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips with this Becca pencil in Breezy. I got this in a BoxyCharm. So I'm gonna use this Revlon lipstick in Bare Affair. And then I'm gonna go with the Dose of Colors in Over the Top, the lip gloss. This is from the Desi and Katie collab too. The gold one. I'm gonna spray my face with the Morphe setting spray. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just wanted to hang out, play with some makeup. I like this really bronzy look I created. Something simple but really cute. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright guys, so if you want to be entered in the giveaway, I'm going to post a picture somewhere on the screen of the things that I'm giving away. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and comment down below so that I know that you entered.